Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a Home Depot job online. First, open your browser and search for Home Depot careers and click on the official careers page. Once there, you can either browse open positions like designer, cashier, freight and receiving, or lot associate, or search by location by entering your city, state, or zip code. You can also look for remote roles if that's your preference. After searching, you'll see a list of available jobs. You can filter by keywords, building number, location type, job category, or job type to find the best match. For example, if you want to work in store and distribution, select that category and click Show Jobs. Click on any job to see the overview and benefits. To apply, click Apply. And if you don't have an account yet, click Don't have an account. Then enter your email, create a password, and select a security question. Next, complete your profile by uploading details about yourself and, if required, a profile picture. Once you've filled everything out, submit your application and you're done. And that's it. That's how to apply for a Home Depot job online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.